incredible, community. We are now in the final of our 10 weeks in the online teaching certificate program. Each of you have worked so very hard and contributed so very much to our learning community. Thank you. You have come a long way over the past 10 weeks. It is very apparent that there has been something that you have learned, that you have practiced, and that you have applied in your course training and current work. Also, there are specific items that you plan to examine further and dig into deeper. This iterative work is what it's all about. I very much appreciate your contributions to our supportive and encouraging learning community. Yes, there are areas we want to strengthen: ADA accessibility and usability, integration of multimedia tools, effective workload strategies, copyright alignment, designing effective assessments, and continuing to build community and increase student involvement in the course. And you will. Keep working with your mentor and the other teams of experts at your institutions, with your OLC cohort connections, and with those who are practitioners in the field. You should submit any remaining assignments by the final day of our course. This is the last day they will be accepted. If there's any issue with final grades, I will send you a direct message. You may also check the grade book for additional guidance on final grades. I thank each of you for your intense efforts and very excellent work. Continue to learn and continue to be amazing. Thank you, and best to each of you. Bye-bye.